Let's talk about the Ford F-150 with the Borla ATAK exhaust. If you've ever watched a stock F-150 drive by and thought, yeah, that's nice, but where's the muscle car sound? You're not alone. Ford trucks are beasts, but out of the factory, their sound is, let's say, just responsible. So here's where Borla ATAK comes in. ATAK stands for Acoustically Tuned Applied Kinetics. It means someone at Borla was obsessing over airflow and decibel levels at levels that could probably get you shushed at a library. The result: maximum volume without a bunch of annoying drone. The sound is the first thing people notice. Seriously, you step on the gas with this system, and your neighbor's chihuahua will develop a lifelong fear of trucks. But it's more than just making noise. The ATAK system makes your F-150 sound aggressive but not obnoxious. And most importantly, it doesn't turn your commute into an ear-bleeding experience. Here's the real pain point. Most exhaust upgrades mean hours under your truck, trying to line up pipes made by someone who definitely didn't own an F-150. With Borla, it's all bolt-on. You get all the hangers, the hardware, and detailed instructions with actual photos, not those interpretive drawings some brands provide. If you care about numbers, listen to this. Borla claims up to a 7% boost in horsepower just from the exhaust swap. For the F-150, that's not just marketing fluff. You feel that extra kick when overtaking on the highway or towing up a grade. It's not about racing, it's about having options. Pro tip if you're thinking of doing this at home: high-quality jack stands are your best friend. You don't want to be that guy on YouTube balancing his truck on a leftover cinder block while rattling off how-tos. Safety, then sound. Another thing, this isn't one of those mods that ruins your warranty. Borla is big on emissions compliance, CARB approval, and they're not trying to send you down a rabbit hole with voided powertrain warranties. For a lot of drivers, peace of mind is worth a lot more than a couple decibels. I get a lot of questions about day-to-day driving. Will it drone endlessly at 70 miles per hour? Are you going to hate your life on a long road trip to, say, Seattle? Not at all. The ATAK is famous for letting you have that rowdy cold start and launch, but once you settle in, the volume drops off. Installation-wise, a good Saturday morning is all you need. Get the truck up, remove the stock exhaust, some PB blaster on those bolts is your second best friend, and it's truly plug and play. If you've done IKEA furniture sober, you'll handle this just fine. Actual cost, here's the ouch. The ATAK system runs north of $1,000. But in true you get what you pay for fashion, cheaping out on random brands means you'll get to experience the joys of rust, fitment issues, or that beautiful symphony of exhaust rattle at every stoplight. There are cheaper ways to make noise, sure, but if you want people to ask if that's a Coyote V8 as you drive off, ATAK is it. You're also looking at potential resale value. Clean mods from top brands like Borla on the F-150 are never a negative if you decide to sell. And if you live in rainy cities, shout out to Portland, you don't want to be swapping out rusted exhaust pieces every 3 winters. Stainless steel matters. Borla isn't just making it sound good, they're making it last. And in climates that eat metal for breakfast, that's not small potatoes. At the end of the day, any upgrade should leave you feeling like you actually upgraded. That's why most people land on Borla ATAK for the F-150. It checks the boxes: sound, power, ease, and genuinely changes how you feel every time you turn the key.